So once your door is shut, your deadbolt's on, you just close that and that's it. Your door is really secure. Hey guys, Brad here with Skyline Construction, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick little video on how to install these extra door locks. It's not a deadbolt per se, but it's definitely like a wedge or a small bar, if you will, that prevents people from kicking in your door. It's just an added precaution, and it can't hurt to have that extra peace of mind, right? So basically the way this works is this plate here screws onto your door jamb, and then once it's on your door jamb, you just close this, and this will close against your door itself. And so if your deadbolt's not on, and it's the middle of the night or whatever, someone still can't push the door open. Okay, this is made out of aluminum. They seem to be pretty good. I've checked them out online, and I bought these on Amazon, so we're just installing it for this house here. But yeah, I just think it's going to be an added peace of mind for the client. Now I've already installed this one on this door, and I'll run you through it on the video. We'll just kind of fast forward through it a bit, but essentially it's just going to show how I mortise this into the door jamb and screw it in place. There's a centering screw hole here, which you want to screw this in first after you've traced this out with your knife and then chisel out the wood. Then you're going to pre-drill this hole, put your screw in, and then that'll allow you to adjust it back and forth a little bit before you set your 3 main screws. So because my casing is 3/16 of an inch away from the edge of the door jamb, I have to cut out the casing just to fit this 45-degree angle piece of metal in. So it just kind of dados in to the casing. So in the video I'll show you how I do that. I just chisel it out basically, and you just keep adjusting it as you need until this is nice and tight against the door. You don't want it super tight, because if, you know, with the cold weather here in Alberta, our doors are always moving and shrinking and contracting, so you want to make sure that you've got a little bit of play in between the door and this rubber, but otherwise you want it fairly close. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of installing it. Okay guys, so this should be the finale here. Looks like it fits perfectly. I'm going to put this one screw in, test it on the door, and then if it's all good, I'll drill these 3 and put the other 3 screws in, and we will be good to go. Okay, now I'll just test it. Oh yeah, it's way better. All right, so works great. So I'm going to pre-drill these other 3 holes now, and then I'll put these longer screws in. So it comes with 3-inch stainless steel screws by the looks of it. I might put 3.5-inch later, but for now I'll use these 3-inch. The other thing is these are Phillips, so they are not the greatest. Starting to strip that one out. They give you extra screws, so I think what I'm going to do is take this one out because it looks pretty gnarly, and then I'll put a new screw in just so I have a nicer head. There we go. All right. So that's it, you guys. Kind of tucks out of the way, so it's all good that way. And that's how it locks. Piece of cake. So bring you on inside. All right, so once your door is shut, your deadbolt's on, you just close that and that's it. Your door is really secure, okay? And then to open it, you just do that. It stays out of the way. There's no sharp edges, so you're not gonna catch your clothes on it. There's no way of accidentally locking this when you're out of the house. So this is primarily for nighttime when you're home. And that's it. Extra secure, will not open. Okay guys, so that's how we install this extra lock on our exterior doors. Again, you can use it for your interior doors if you want. But yeah, I think it's a great little lock to have. You know, just that little extra peace of mind when you're asleep. So I'm happy with it. And again, it only took me about 20 minutes to install. So not a lot of time. And they're pretty cheap too. So I'll leave a link down below for the Amazon, a link, and you can check it out if you want. But yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe, hit that notify bell, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns or anything like that. I'd love to hear from you. But until next time, guys, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.